Valentine's Day. Look pretty cool. The key is just getting the right amount of, not too much snow. Let's try this is the 3 snowballs, or snowball fight. And then in here, and then yeah. There we go. Let's see what it ended up as. So this is supposed to be 3 snowballs. Perfect. Perfect. I won't throw them at Bruce, but we'll throw them. Watch. That's pretty cool. And this might hurt. It's so almost like ice balls. Here we go. What's that, Bruce? Oh, he likes them. What is that? Here, Bruce. Here's another one. You want this? Come here. Bruce. Come here. Let me move this out of the way. Try this. Bruce. Come here. Come here. Bruce. Bruce. Come. Come here. Want that? Ooh, is that yummy? Is that yummy? Here, Bruce. Here, eat that. Yeah. That's yummy. Is that a yummy taste for Bruce? A yummy treat? Wow. Who knew? Snowballs tasted so good. Yeah. Is that yours? Are you going to not share? Can I have some of it? Wow, that's yummy. You can eat the whole thing? Isn't that nice? I made you a snowball treat. He's never done this before in his entire life. That's so cute. Is that yummy? Is that yummy? You've eaten half of it. Oh, it's getting windy out. Oh, there goes the pigeons. Surprisingly enough, the pigeons are making nests and having babies in the middle of winter. Like, what is up with that? They're not the smartest. Sometimes they make their nest and the eggs roll off the roof and go splat. Whoa, that was a big bite. You gonna eat the whole thing? Yeah. Yummy. You getting full? You think Jack would like one? Yummy, yummy. Who knew? Who knew? Yeah, the sun is quite warm today. I'm sitting out here just in a jacket. Oh, let me go get the box. Let me get the box. It goes away. Ooh. Okay. Is that yummy? Is your tummy getting cold? Your teeth have got to be freezing. Oh, there goes the box again. There goes that silly box. Is that enough? I think you've had enough, huh? Are your teeth cold? Huh? Your teeth cold? You're gonna eat the whole thing just because? Good boy. Is that yummy? I don't think you should eat any more. Yeah. Let's go put the box away.